air compressor is on the second floor in props and costume storage. There's a little bit of maintenance that we need to do on that periodically. Here's the compressor. Compressor has a certificate of when it was last inspected, and this certificate expires in 2022. Campus Facilities manages our permits for us. This compressor is running automatically all the time. It'll be continually charging. It's basically charging to fill this tank with air, and then we use the air in the scene shop as needed. But when we turn the valves off in the scene shop, there's no air flowing past the valve, so it's not continually putting pressure on the regulators and causing the air to leak out and the regulators to fail prematurely. This little red bucket down here is for draining the water out of the compressor. This should be done regularly, once a week or so. You can do it every day if you like, but someone needs to come up here and drain the water out. And you can see it hasn't been drained in a while. We've been off campus for several months. So there's going to be a lot of moisture in the bucket, in the tank. And what that moisture does is that gets pushed through the airline, and that moisture gets pushed through the tools themselves, and it dries out their gaskets, and it corrodes the insides. So we really want to keep this empty of water. So now that it's leaking out, I'm going to turn it off again when it's sputtering. And I'm going to open it ever so slightly to try and get it to go even slower so I can get more of that water out. There we go, we got a nice slow trickle now. We'll go till that starts to sputter, and we'll probably be good. You can take this water down and you can dump it in the sink or in the drain, or you can just leave it here and let it evaporate on its own. Either way is fine. Usually it isn't this much water. I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to get a little more of that water out. That's going to be about the best I can do. So, at least once a week, the shop foreman, shop supervisor, crew lead should come up and drain this tank. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more technical theater content.